Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Azure AD B2C and Flutter, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Azure AD B2C and Flutter, you first need to set up an Azure AD B2C tenant. Log into the Azure portal. Create a new Azure AD B2C tenant. Once created, navigate to the Azure AD B2C settings. Register a new application to enable your Flutter app to access Azure AD B2C. Name your application and provide a redirect URI. The redirect URI is where Azure will send the authentication response. Make sure to set the type to public client. Once your application is registered, note down the application ID and the tenant ID. Next, define user flows in Azure AD B2C. User flows can be sign up, sign in, or profile editing. Choose a user flow that suits your needs. Configure the user flow with the required identity providers. This could include email, social logins, or any other form of authentication. Upon configuring, make sure to save your user flow settings. Now move to your Flutter app and add necessary dependencies. Open your pubspec.yaml file. Add the Flutter_auth package for handling authentication. Run the command flutter pub-get to install the new dependency. Next, configure your app with the Azure AD B2C details. Create a new Dart file for your authentication service. In this file, set up the configuration with your tenant ID and application ID. Use the Flutter_auth methods to initiate authentication. Make sure to handle both successful and unsuccessful authentication responses. You may want to use a method to securely store the retrieved tokens. Once the tokens are stored, integrate them into your API requests. Test your app to ensure that authentication works as expected. Consider implementing error handling to improve user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.